to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing another Elite Trainer box, Pokemon Champions Path. There's a little bit of a tear, but that happened when I was coming home. So I'll see you guys when I am set up. Make sure to go check out my friend, me and his video. We opened some cards. We got an evolution pack, but we did get a Poliwag reverse holo, so that's pretty cool. So the last booster box, Elite Trainer box that I opened was Shining Fates. So let's see what the best card is in here. Oh, let's get that Rainbow Rare Charizard, or that Dreadnought V Max. Come on, Rainbow Rare Charizard, please. I'm not gonna get one because that's like the rarest card in this whole entire set. Okay. Let's see what we get. So here we have rules. We have our 10 booster packs, very heavy. We have, oh, these are cool sleeves. Don't like those that much. Here is a code card. So much stuff on my desk now. Charizard V, and then the dividers and the coins. Ooh, I like those. This orange is my favorite color. That is it. Toss that. Toss that. Toss that. Okay. So let's open this card up and sleeve it because it is thick. Actually, no, let's not sleeve it. Maybe, I don't know, but it's a cool card. Ooh, it's textured a little bit. So the first pack, we got 10 booster packs for Champions Path. I've never opened Champions Path, so hopefully it is a good set. Oh, good. Code card. 1, 2, 3. Sidekick. Sharpedo. Rockruff. Weedle. Oh, okay. Okay, good. That was a good card. One time I was trying to film my sister doing her gymnastics for her competition, but then I forgot to press record, so I was just checking to see if I actually am recording. My card. Oh, that's a funny one. Seconds. Oh, okay. Potion. I pick up all the trash after, so my schoolroom isn't a mess. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Oh, okay. Ooh, Machop. Chalk. Vulpix. Carvana. Oh, jeez. And another one. Okay, so let's do... I'm just looking through all the pack arts. I was just looking at all of them to see which ones we got. Good card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. My part. Didn't get anything in this one. Oh, okay. Let's do a Dreadnought. It's the heaviest pack, I think. Come on, so far we haven't gotten any good pulls yet. Can we change our luck today? Come on, Champions Path. hope we can get at least a V card. Nothing. Yeah, nothing good. So far, this pack opening hasn't been too juicy. Or good at all. I thought this would be a good one. And these are all white and grays. White and greens, I mean. So, lightning energy. We didn't get anything in this one, I think. Yeah, nothing. Oh my gosh. No way. No way. We got a Dreadnought VMAX. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Oh my gosh. A Dreadnought VMAX. Let's go. Oh, let's get that Charizard. I'm feeling, but oh my gosh, guys, a Dreadnought VMAX. I've never pulled a well, I pulled a whole bunch of Dreadnoughts, but never a V or a VMAX. And I want to get a Charizard because I've never gotten a Charizard, which is kind of sad, guys. Oh my gosh, though, like, I wasn't expecting to get anything in this whole thing. Because we've gotten, oops. Hold up, guys, I dropped some cards. So we haven't gotten anything out of this so far. And then we just go ahead and pull a Dreadnought VMAX. Like it's a normal card. Out of nowhere. That was the lightest pack, too. Oh my gosh, guys. One, two, like, oh my gosh. I don't really like the trainers too much because they're just so many, unless they're like really good trainers. Okay. 2 packs left. Let's go this one. Come on, let's get a Charizard. I've never pulled a Charizard. At least a Charizard, VV, or VMAX. Or the Rainbow Rare Charizard. Huh? There's nothing, I don't think. Because I accidentally spoiled it. Yeah, there's nothing. No, oh my gosh. Gyarados for V. Okay, guys. We got into good pulls. Can we end it off on a really good pull? Like a Charizard? Oh my gosh, guys. Are we just going to get the last 3 packs, or are we just going to get good cards? The last 2 packs. Oh my gosh. If I opened those first, then I would have gotten 2. One. Oh, last card. Okay. But we still did get a Gardevoir V and a Dreadnought V Max. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.